I thought I'd inspire those that are struggling to get this done. This is a Dell 1545 Inspiron. This is Windows 8 on it. I'm going to reboot it. It's going to take a minute. This laptop's not perfect. But I'll let it boot up, show everyone. Yeah, you can put Windows 11, I don't know why I keep saying Windows 8. You can put Windows 11, the most current version as of June 2025, on an older Dell 1545 from 2008. Interesting thing about this is it does not have UEFI or secure boot, so during the install, I had to modify the install script with the registry key by dropping into the DOS prompt, Shift F10. But what I had to do to get it to boot without the UEFI was I had to use the Rufus program and modify the boot record to be MBR and to boot to non-UEFI using Rufus. There it is. Oh geez, I don't know if I remember how I made the password. I think it's just 1 through 9. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that was the password. Yep, here it comes. Yep, so I also figured out using Rufus how to make a local user account so you don't have to bind a Microsoft account to it. That was particularly useful because I didn't want to have to do all that. And there you go. There's Windows 11 running on a Windows, or I'm sorry, a Dell Ancient. Dell 1545. It's still booting up, so it might take a second to pull up system properties, but there it comes. Yep, so this is the latest ISO download from Microsoft. Where'd the mouse go? Yeah, this is the latest one. There it goes. There's your Windows 11 Pro 21H2. Install date 6/1/25. And this is, like I said, a Dell Inspiron. It's got a 2.1 core 4000 series dual core or T3 4300, a 2.1. The board's got issues. I have to run a fan underneath of it here to keep it cold enough. But the boards are only $20 for this. But I was able to get it to install. Took a couple tries, but I finally got it. I had to modify the installer for BIOS without UEFI. But this is it, man. So it'll work. Just keep at it. Keep trying. And eventually you should get it. And good luck. And have a great day.